How to delete birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to delete birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. So while we appreciate all the kind messages, there are times when you may want to remove them. I will guide you through the process effortlessly. So let's begin by ensuring that you have updated your Facebook app to the latest version for accessing to the new additional features. Then open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Click on your name on your profile picture to navigate to your Facebook timeline. And to manage your post, scroll through your timeline to locate the birthday post you wish to delete. It should be easily identifiable as it pertains to your birthday. Hover over to the birthday post and you will see three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on the three dots to reveal post options, and from the post provided, select Move to Recycle Bin or simply delete it. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm the deletion by clicking on it. And if you wish to disable the birthday notifications, click on the three lines on your profile icon and then tap on Settings icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Notifications. And under Notifications, select Birth Dates and toggle off the option for birthday notifications. Confirm your choice by disabling the notification by clicking on Turn Off in the dialog box, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.